This is Imamul Haque from ISOEH. This is my second video tutorial based on Android apps development. Today I will show you how to create a simple stopwatch application with splash screen and animated button. In my previous video I was show you how to create splash screen. This is why I skip this portion. For creating stopwatch in your Android application, you need a simple control named chronometer. And this is my first application. Here I design my stopwatch splash screen. Here is my thread class, and it is my onCreate method of the main activity. Within this main activity, I create the splash screen code. And this is my second activity where I design a stopwatch for animated button. You need to create a directory named anim. Here I design a XML file named buttonanim.xml. Here you have to design a start offset and duration for 500 and 112,000. There was two translate button, one is from delta and one is to y delta. It is your animation file. And here is my stopwatch activity, and it is my stopwatch activity design. This is my XML file of this activity. You need a chronometer control for stopwatch. You have to select first the ID of the chronometer and height, width, and text color and text style. Here I select bold and text size 30 sp. Then two button, one is for start button, one is for pause button, and another is for reset button. This is my full design. This is my chronometer control. This is the first button, start button, and this is my second button, pause button, and here is my third button, which is reset button. Okay, come to our main activity or second activity. You have to set first chronometer control, which I declare private chronometer, and it is the object of chronometer class. And then I have to design the animation, set animation class, and then animation object. Then I declare a long data type named pause offset, and then a boolean data type which is named running. Okay, then come to our onCreate method. At first I set round anim for load animation. Animation utils dot load animation. You have to find the path of animation folder. My path is r.anim.rounder. Then find view by ID for your chronometer control. Then you have to set the format of your chronometer, time, second. Then you have to set the set base of your chronometer. Set base is the system clock which you have to set the set base as a chronometer. I select chronometer dot set base equal to system clock dot real elapsed time. Then it is the event listener of chronometer. You have to select the event listener of the particular chronometer. This is why chronometer dot set on Chrome tick listener, you have to use this. Okay, within the chronometer set on tick listener, you have to set a conditional statement. Which is it? It is if system clock dot real elapsed time minus chronometer dot get base get then equal to 1000, 10,000 millisecond. 10,000 millisecond means 10 second. If it is matched, then chronometer dot set based system clock dot real elapsed time. Then I set a toast message which is chronometer. Then I create three methods. First is start chronometer, second is pause chronometer, and third is reset chronometer. Start chronometer for start your stopwatch, pause chronometer for stop your chronometer, and reset chronometer for reset your chronometer. Within start chronometer, I set a conditional statement which is not equal to running chronometer dot set base minus pause offset. And within the pause chronometer, I set running. If running chronometer is running, then chronometer dot stop and pause offset equals to system clock dot real elapsed time minus chronometer dot get based, and running equal to false. And reset chronometer, chronometer dot set based system clock dot real elapsed time equal to pause offset. And now you have to call the three method within this button instead of set on click listener. I have three button. One is for start chronometer, and on start button you have set a method named onClick. Within onClick you call the method named start chronometer, and within the pause button you have to call the method named pause chronometer, and within this reset button you have to set the method named reset chronometer. And it is fully complete. Now you can run or show your stopwatch. Here it is. This is my splash screen, and this is my chronometer activity. Now start your chronometer. Yes, it is running. You can pause from pause button. It is paused. If you click reset, then it is reset from there. Okay guys, thank you.